All right, it is Sunday and we are live, and I'm here to talk about memory because the next blog post, or the one we just released, is on the hippocampus, which is associated to the memory part of your brain. And this is important for us to know because if we want to retain information longer, faster, better, we need to know how our memory systems work. And if we want to teach kids to remember information, then we want to know how their memory system works. So, in short, in your brain, when you are learning a new concept, it goes in through your senses, back to your thalamus, your sensory processing, that kicks it out to whatever appropriate lobe it needs to go to, and then sends a message to your amygdala, or amygdalae, and they are, we've talked about this before, the emotional control center, so they determine how they need to respond to that. Does it need to go to the brainstem for fight, flight, freeze, fawn, or can it be taken to the hippocampus for storage? So a lot of different things are happening in your brain when you receive new information. So we need to know those pathways and know the tips and tricks to make those pathways stronger and faster so that we can store information better. So here's a quick tip or trick to help you remember information or to help your students remember information. And that is to take concepts and tie some type of visualization, visual stimuli, and an association with it. So let's just say you have the words chair and pen and plant. That's not very hard to remember those three words, but let's just say you need to remember those three words. So how can I tie visual stimuli and association? Association is something that you have experienced before, something that's already tucked into your memory system. So I might go this like story about it with visual stimulation and visualization and association. So I might think, okay, I'm sitting in a chair, and I use a pen to draw a plant. Chair, pen, plant. And if I had a list of 10 words, I would just keep that story going. And then I have to recall those words. I flash back to that story in my mind, and I have all of those words recalled easily because I thought of a visual that I already have familiarity with, an association, and it locks it into memory better. So just a tip, trick to help memory storage. Make it visual, think in pictures, make associations, and help kids to do that as well. To learn more about the hippocampus and how the brain systems work, and memory in particular, I'm going to link the hippocampus blog post below. Let me know if you have any thoughts, comments, and try out the memory tricks, and let me know if it helps you store your memories better.